East Coast LQ Reviews. Today we're reviewing Knob Creek Bourbon and Rye. So on the front of the bottle, it does say blended straight whiskeys. So this consists of 30% Kentucky Straight Bourbon whiskey, 9 years aged, and 70% Kentucky Straight Rye whiskey, 7 years aged. It's 113 proof. It says notes of vanilla, caramel, pepper. It says small batch right on the front. It says with this series we showcase our blending expertise to deliver the full character of American whiskey, crafted for quality and full flavor, Claremont, Kentucky. On the back it does say distilled and bottled by James B. Beam Distilling Co. out of Claremont, Kentucky. And yeah, without further ado, let's pop this open. I did pay $43, which I believe is right around MSRP on this one. And go for the pour. So as you can tell, I have drank a decent amount of this already. Give it some time to open up and aerate. Color of the whiskey. It's a really nice caramel color. Decent alcohol legs as well. Looks really nice. Nose. Up front, I get a lot of mint and citrus. But then I also get like sweet corn, caramel, vanilla, touch of like some dried fruits in there, a little like cherry, maybe like some dark chocolate, definitely a little bit of a peppery spice, but it smells pretty good. I mean, as far as ethanol, I'm not really getting much ethanol. There's a little bit. I mean, it is 113 proof. 56.5%, so definitely a solid ABV. Yeah, good balance of sweet, spicy on the nose. Yeah, I think the most dominant aroma in this is that like citrusy note, the citrus and the mint. It smells really good. Let's dive in and try it out. Cheers. Very nice. I get a good amount of the spice and the oak on the finish. A little bit of a warming in the chest. First drink of the day as well. Go for another sip. Good amount of caramel, vanilla right up front. And then the citrus flavor, kind of like orange peel citrus. That chocolate note is starting to become more prominent on the palate, whereas the nose is only just kind of slightly there. On the palate, it's very noticeable. Yeah, it's like chocolate covered orange, I guess you could say, would be the best way to put it. But then you get that minty, kind of like spearmint. It's got a very sweet flavor profile. It's really good. Mouthfeel is awesome. Definitely coats the mouth very well at that 113 proof. Doesn't taste watered down at all. There's a really nice complexity as well with this. So you get a lot of the sweet notes from the bourbon, but then you also get sweet notes from the rye as well. Very long, lingering finish. I'd say the finish on the palate is more of like a cinnamon baking spice rather than that like peppery spice on the nose. Yeah. Lots of sweetness. The oak isn't overly dry, but it's there. It definitely lingers, but it's not necessarily astringent at all. And it's not overly sweet. It's not an overly sweet whiskey. I do think that the spice does a good job kind of cutting through that sweet, and it doesn't make it full sweet throughout the palate. For $43, I think this is a really good bottle for the money, for sure. I believe this is fairly new. I believe this was released in 2024. Today is 12/6/2024, so we're almost into the new year. Yeah, I'm going to recommend it if you guys see this one. I recommend trying it. I think they did a really good job blending this. As far as a number, I want to give this one, I think it deserves an A range. I'm going to go right at that A-, 90 out of 100 for a score for this. I really like it. It'll be cool to do a little drink through. I am collecting a good amount of Knob Creek bottles. I actually just purchased the 12-year the other day, so look out for a review on that as well. And yeah, hopefully a drink through of their entire variety that you can purchase. And yeah, it'll be nice to compare their straight rye and their straight bourbon, and then trying this to see if I can tell the difference in the different products. And yeah, there you have it. If there's anything else you guys like to see on my channel, make sure to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and my videos. Like a beer. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.